Cinematography.
The art or technique of movie photography.
The film's cinematography was so stunning that it received numerous awards for its visual excellence.
Genre.
A category of artistic composition, as in music or literature, characterized by similarities in form, style, or subject matter.
I enjoy watching movies of every genre, from action-packed thrillers to heartwarming romantic comedies.
Plot.
The main events of a play, novel, movie, or similar work.
The plot of the mystery movie kept me on the edge of my seat until the very end.
Storyboard.
A sequence of drawings, typically with some directions and dialogue, representing the shots planned for a movie or television production.
The director meticulously planned each scene using a detailed storyboard before starting the actual filming.
Dialogue.
Conversation between two or more people as a feature of a book, play, or movie.
The sharp and witty dialogue between the characters added humor and depth to the film.
Screenplay.
The script of a movie, including dialogue and directions for the actors and camera crew.
The aspiring screenwriter spent months perfecting the screenplay for his debut feature film.
Scene.
A sequence of continuous action in a play, movie, opera, or book.
The emotional climax of the movie occurred during a powerful and intense scene between the two lead actors.
Character development.
The process of creating a believable and realistic character over the course of a story.
The novel's adaptation into a movie allowed for more in-depth character development and exploration.
Casting.
The process of selecting actors for a play, movie, or show.
The casting director had a difficult task finding the perfect actor to portray the complex protagonist.
Director.
The person who controls and oversees the artistic aspects of a film or play.
The director's unique vision and style were evident in every frame of the film.
Producer.
The person responsible for the financial and managerial aspects of making a movie.
The producer secured funding and managed the logistics to ensure the movie's successful production.
Cameo.
A brief appearance or voice part of a known person in a work of the performing arts, typically without speaking lines.
The famous singer made a surprise cameo appearance in the film, delighting fans.
Sequel.
A movie, novel, or play that continues the story of a previous work.
The sequel surpassed the original movie in both box office success and critical acclaim.
Remake.
A new version or adaptation of a movie, song, or other creative work.
The classic film was given a modern twist in its latest remake.
Soundtrack.
The music of a film.
The emotional impact of the movie was heightened by its powerful and moving soundtrack.
Special effects.
Techniques used to create illusions or simulations in movies.
The science fiction film's special effects were so realistic that they transported audiences to another world.
Screening.
The showing of a movie to an audience.
The exclusive screening allowed critics and industry professionals to preview the highly anticipated film.
Premiere.
The first public performance or showing of a play, movie, or similar work.
The red carpet at the movie premiere was filled with glamorous celebrities and eager fans.
Editing.
The process of selecting and preparing written, visual, audible, and film media used to convey information.
The skillful editing enhanced the pacing and flow of the film, creating a seamless viewing experience.
Trailer.
A short promotional video that previews a movie.
The movie trailer effectively teased the audience, leaving them excited and curious about the upcoming release.
Rating.
A classification or ranking given to a movie based on its content.
The movie received a high rating for its compelling story and outstanding performances.
Critic.
A person who evaluates and analyzes works of art, including movies.
The film critic praised the director's innovative approach and the cast's exceptional performances.
Box office.
The place at a theater or cinema where tickets are sold.
The movie's success at the box office exceeded everyone's expectations.
Oscar.
An annual Academy Award for outstanding achievements in the film industry.
The actor's exceptional performance earned him an Oscar for Best Actor.
Festival.
A period or occasion of feasting and celebration, especially a religious one.
The film festival showcased a diverse range of independent films from around the world.
Independent film.
A film produced outside major film studio systems.
The indie film, produced on a shoestring budget, received acclaim for its authenticity and creativity.
Screening room.
A room where films are shown to a select audience before general release.
The filmmakers gathered in the screening room to review the final cut of their movie.
Close-up.
A shot taken at a very close range to capture the subject's detail.
The close-up of the actor's tear-streaked face conveyed the intensity of the emotional scene.
Long shot.
A shot taken from a considerable distance.
A breathtaking long shot captured the vastness of the landscape in the epic adventure film.
Mise en scene.
The arrangement of everything that appears in a frame of a movie.
The director carefully considered every element of mise-en-scene to create a visually stunning and cohesive film.
Suspense.
A state or feeling of excited or anxious uncertainty about what may happen.
The masterful use of suspense kept the audience guessing until the film's dramatic conclusion.
Thriller.
A genre of fiction characterized by suspense and excitement.
The psychological thriller kept viewers on the edge of their seats with its unexpected twists.
Cliffhanger.
A dramatic and exciting ending that leaves the audience in suspense.
The movie ended with a thrilling cliffhanger, leaving audiences eager for the next installment.
Flashback.
A scene in a movie, novel, etc., set in a time earlier than the main story.
The poignant flashback revealed crucial details about the protagonist's past.
Voiceover.
A piece of narration in a movie or broadcast, not accompanied by an image of the speaker.
The actor provided a voiceover narration that added depth and insight to the documentary.
Dolly shot.
A shot taken while the camera is in motion on a wheeled platform.
The dolly shot smoothly followed the characters as they moved through the bustling city.
Cinematic universe.
A media franchise and shared universe that is centered around a series of movies.
The interconnected cinematic universe featured multiple films with overlapping characters and storylines.
Art house film.
A film typically intended for a niche audience, often experimental or avant-garde in nature.
The art house film, though not widely popular, gained a cult following for its unique storytelling.
Blockbuster.
A very popular and successful movie.
The summer blockbuster broke box office records with its thrilling action sequences and star-studded cast.
Epic.
A long film, book, or other work portraying heroic deeds and adventures.
The historical epic depicted grand battles and epic journeys across breathtaking landscapes.
Fade in, fade out.
A gradual increase or decrease in the brightness of an image or sound.
The director used a subtle fade-in, fade-out technique to transition between scenes.
Gaffer.
The head electrician on a movie production set.
The gaffer meticulously set up the lighting for each scene, ensuring the perfect ambience.
Location shooting.
Filming that takes place outside of a studio, typically on site.
The decision to use location shooting added authenticity to the film, capturing the essence of the story's setting.
Makeup artist.
A person who applies cosmetics to performers in movies or theater.
The makeup artist transformed the actor into an elderly character with skillful prosthetics and makeup.
Costume design.
The creation and selection of costumes for characters in a movie.
The elaborate costume design transported viewers to a different time and place.
Green screen.
A green background used in filming to isolate subjects and add backgrounds in post-production.
The actors performed in front of a green screen, allowing for the later addition of fantastical backgrounds in post-production.
Silent film.
A film without synchronized recorded sound, especially with dialogue.
Silent films relied on expressive acting and visual storytelling to convey emotions without spoken dialogue.
Storyboard artist.
An artist who creates visual representations of the scenes in a movie or TV show.
The storyboard artist translated the director's vision into a series of visually engaging illustrations.
Protagonist.
The main character in a story, often the hero.
The audience easily connected with the protagonist, cheering for their success throughout the film.
Antagonist.
A character or force in conflict with the protagonist.
The antagonist's menacing presence added tension and conflict to the storyline.